After their dog named Flossie went missing in the morning, they knew she liked going down rabbit holes where there are hundreds of them in their area. So they started searching for hours through the day and night, digging in each one, and they had no luck. They didn't give up though, and kept at it until hours later they got a call from a neighbor who thought they heard a small bark under a bush in the field next to their house. After 5 more hours of searching, they finally found her. She was alive and healthy. Flossie was stuck down there for 56 hours, and her owners were super emotional to hold her again. They said, "This is a lesson to all of us to never give up hope."